and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a full ateez collection video. So that's like albums, photo cards, official and unofficial merch, stuff like that. I'll be putting timestamps in the pinned comments so that you can skip the things that you want to see. We'll be starting off with albums and then photo cards and then probably official and then unofficial merch. So jumping straight in, I have the episode 1. I had 2 copies just because they had 2 different poster types, so I wanted both of them. And then we have episode 2. I had 2 copies again purely because they had 2 poster types and this one is signed. And then we jump into episode 3. I just have wave and illusion versions. And then episode Fin, we have A and Z. And then we have the first anniversary version. Jumping on into photo cards. This is my photo card binder. Just had this cute decal on the front made by Violet Card. I'll put the link in the description. I do collect OT8 for album cards. So this is episode 1. And then episode 2. The episode 2 pre-order benefit. And then episode 3 illusion album. And then episode 3 illusion of my music taste. And this is episode 3 wave. And then episode 3 wave my music taste. Coming into episode Fin, this is not yet complete because I'm still waiting on 2 of each version of the albums from a group order that hasn't quite finished yet. So I'm trying not to collect all the photo cards before I get those so I don't have to trade too much. This is episode Z, version Z of episode Fin. I just contradicted myself because I almost finished this set. And then we have the anniversary version. I am trying to finish episode Fin before I come into anniversary, just for completionist and perfectionism rules that I have going on, but I still do have a few. And then these are the code cards for episode Fin and the anniversary version. It spells treasure, so I just put this like this. And then coming into my Jongho collection, at the top we have some Korean releases and then Japanese down here. So we have the Treasure Cafe card, the 2 episode Fin My Music Taste, and then the group card for the Treasure Cafe. This is the Japan Cake on Polaroid, and then the 2 Shift the Map photo cards for the Japanese release. I do have these coming, but I'm at uni and they're at my home address, so that's why they're not here. Also regarding the My Music Taste for episode Fin, I'll be collecting those once I finish the album cards. This is, and then I have some stray Yeosangs on the back, just because they were too cute for me to not have, and he's my second bias. I love him with my entire self. And this is Jongho's My Music Taste pre-order card, or the exclusive card. And these are the Japanese photo prints. So we have the first release and the second release, and then the Shift the Map release, and I do have these on their way. And then these are the photo cards that I made to give out in the group order that I did. Just kept them in here for memory purposes. And then going around here we have a Jongho Polaroid that I pulled from the episode 3 album. This is, him being my bias, it was absolutely a gift from the heavens. This is my absolute treasured item ever. I will never sell this. This will be in my collection for the rest of time. It's just the most beautiful thing I will ever have, ever. I keep him in a frame on top of my bookshelf. Moving on into official gifts, I do have their official fan light. This is with my VIP wristband from the previous concert, and hopefully I can add my ticket to the next one into this as well. And then I have a poster set from their Say My Name showcase. The posters generally look like this. I don't want to take them all out because I really like them and I don't want to damage them. And then I have the cup holders. Unfortunately they're pressed down. and then the transparent fan from the Treasure Cafe. And I do have 5 extra transparent fans here, so if you're interested in buying these, I'm happy to let them go for a cheap price. And then we have the Japan Release official tote bag. I did kind of buy this by accident, but I'm really glad to have it because it's really, really nice quality. Moving on into unofficial goods, and most of these, well, all of these are fansite goods like slogans and stuff. Just starting off with the only thing that's different is this water bottle by Crimson. It's just, it was really adorable, and it's Hongjoong. It came with this little set of a photo card, like a film strip, and a transparent fan. And next is my slogans. I do have a fair amount, just because I really like slogans. So first off is this really adorable San, and it just says his name on the back. I'll put all of the fansite names in the description. And then we have next is Mingi, and it just says his name on the back. And the last of the small slogans is this Hongjoong. It's actually really adorable. One of my favourites, and it's just got glitter. We have this Jongho one. This is my favourite by far. Well, he is my bias, but he looks so cute here, he looks really happy, and it just has his name on the back. And next is this Hongjoong, a really, really cute picture. And it just says his name on the back. And these last 4 slogans are made by the same person. Well, not the same person, but by the same manufacturer. This is the San one. It just has this iridescent glittery font on the back, so I won't show each one. This is San. Yeosang. Wooyoung. And Seonghwa. These are all just really, really adorable. And then honourable mention is this San photo card by one of the fansites in this slogan bunch. It's just the most beautiful photo card I've ever seen. Oh god, that I've ever seen in my entire life. So I wanted to mention it. But that is pretty much everything that I have in my ateez collection. So thank you for watching, and if you've watched this far into the video, please comment a little purple heart. Thank you.